In this film, we will show you how to easily install artificial turf in your garden so that you can enjoy a beautiful and maintenance-free lawn from Easyturf. You have to start by removing the peat. You can do that with a shovel. But if there's a large area, like in this case, we recommend an excavator do this job. When the peat is removed, lay a layer of gravel. It will provide good stability and good drainage to the ground. Distribute the gravel evenly before compacting. The next step is adding thin gravel. It is a finer mass, which will provide a smooth and compact surface. Use a rake or an asphalt tear to spread gravel, and make sure to leave it as smoothly as possible. Moisten the ground before compacting one last time. For a good final result, we recommend that you perform a final check of the ground and remove any unevenness. The base is now ready to roll out the artificial turf. Measure the area and plan where it is best to start from. Remember, the turf should always be rolled in the same direction. Leave a longer margin of turf across the edge. Fold up both long sides of the artificial turf. The long leftover sides of the backing carpet must be cut. The grass can now be placed. Make sure the seams of the carpet fit together well. It is now ready to glue the joints. First off, fold the sides and make sure the back of the carpet is clean and dry. Pull out the seaming tape and make sure that it is rolled out straight and evenly between the carpets. Now, pull off the plastic film protecting the glue. To obtain nice joints, make sure that there is no grass on the glue. In order to achieve good quality in the glue, it is important that all the joints are tightened carefully. You can now finally cut the artificial turf around the edges. This is done from within the area of the perimeter. Finally, add and spread sand on the artificial turf. Use a shovel or a sand spreader for this job. Finish off by saving costs with your artificial turf. Congratulations on the new Easyturf lawn!